explain him about certain things, but I feel like the students which are getting pressurized should take pressure up to a level which they can understand.
We have to balance our lives and we have to just delegate 50-50, right? 50% enjoy, 50% career.
No, sir.
इसका ये मतलब होगा कि 10,000 कमाओ उड़ा दो.
No, sir. And 9 to
Of
10,
course.
9 to 10%.
9 to 10% enjoy.
Yeah, 90% focus your career,
Career?
10% enjoy.
But you said 50-50.
No, sir. 50-50
Are you
is
sure?
not possible.
So 90% on career, 10% on enjoyment.
Yes.
Right?
In student life.
In students' life.
In student life.
तुम बार बार मोहब्बत की बात करते हो, तुम्हें ये नहीं पता कि मोहब्बत बर्बाद करके रख देती है. आज तक जितने भी मजनू इस दुनिया में पैदा हुए सब मोहब्बत की वजह से हुए.
बिल्कुल.
You are only doing job.
Yes.
And you're taking care of entire family.
Yes.
Wow, I like it. Very good. Congratulations. You are also a student.
Yes.
So I just want to know that how do you feel to be the student?
It is a good experience, but the thing is that it's a very pressurized situation of us, that now we are in our 20s, so we need to focus on our careers, and it totally depends on our life. So yeah, it's very difficult form, but yeah, we have something to explore and to have certain things in our life. Right
So don't you
now.
think that students are like being so toxic these days, right? They are being over pressurized. The creativity is being killed and it's dying day by day.
Yeah, I absolutely believe in your words. Like, but the thing is, not the toxic one, but the thing is, they are now getting the pressure of their careers and their things, so they have to face those things now. So, as I am also a student, so I am right now facing everything, like focusing on my career, something, developing my skills, developing my resumes. So, certain things should be there now.
Whenever I step out of my office, I just go sometimes by metro or travel by metro, go to the metro stations, railway stations, bus stops, airports, and I see students rushing as they don't have
Yeah,
single
obviously.
second.
Yes, we are.
So I
we
think
are
they are
not-
killing
Yeah,
themselves.
we are not free, sir. Now we are now concentrating on our career, so we don't have time for toxic things. We don't have times for going into relationships, partying, and all. If we are focused on our career, so we.
But don't you
we
think, like,
have-
if you're running and running, neither you are looking right nor left nor high nor down, you are just killing your mind actually. Don't you think that you're being creative, less?
No, it's not about that. It's about you need to all over groom yourself. So you need to see all around yourself, like what's happening behind your back. Means you have to follow, see your back, your past, your present.
But I can see that.
I'm telling about the past.
I'm talking about the past as well. I can see that.
Yes.
But what about students? What about the youth? They are rushing. Just have you ever seen at metro station at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.? You will see that just like chickens are running, right? The students, the youths are running, tick, 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 tick. And if they fall, to their face, their tooth and nose will be broken. They rush quite high and hard. What was this actually? है क्या ये? मैंने 20 लाख रुपए अपने ऊपर खर्चा किया था दौड़ने के लिए, या तो फिर मुझे मैराथन जाना चाहिए था, रेसिंग में जाना चाहिए था, उसेन बोल्ट बनना था. Try to understand what is this. And you are saying that students are so smart, they are doing this, they are doing that. No, you cannot claim that if Sundar Pichai was a student, he is a Google CEO. Satya Nadella was a student, he is Microsoft CEO. Or Bill Gates was a student earlier, but Bill Gates also dropped out. Mark Zuckerberg dropped out. So I just want to understand that why this rush in the students' lives. ये दिखावा है या real हकीकत है?
No, this is the fact that we face. Like I tell you about myself. Like I used to go to the gym, then I used to go to the college, then I used to rush towards this institution. So there is a rush in our life, but the thing is, maybe it will get a smooth one after 2 or 3 years, after we all struggle for the things. But I don't feel like this rushing will affect somewhat in future.
This rushing will not affect your body.
Yeah, no, not the body, but our mental peace. That's not the thing. The rushing, after coming to the bed, we realized that, yeah, we did something today. We did productive today. So, rather than wasting our parents' money and sitting on the PGs and the hostels, it's better than
Earlier
rushing
we used to listen
skills.
farmer suicide. Very sad, unfortunate, right?
Yes.
We used to hear some due to domestic violence that the housewives or ladies of the house they committed suicide. Nowadays there is a new trend, students committing suicide.
Yeah,
Students are
sir.
being overburdened, they are being creativity less, they are dying. What do you think about this, that their life is quite
Yeah, that is very sad. But the thing is, they are being pressurized by their career. That's all.
who is
It's about-
pressurizing them?
Obviously, their parents, they are their selves that they need to do something, and if they lost some attempts or haven't cleared some exams, so they get pressurized and they do these types of things.
And
which
they
is
just
very
do it
bad.
just to show it off. They are like this students की जब पापा का कदम पड़े घर में किताब फन से खोल लो. मैं इसलिए किताब खोल के थोड़ी ना बैठा हूँ,
So
मुझे
that
समझना है.
depends on the student to student. No, some are very dedicated towards their career.
And
Some
who are
not.
more dedicated, they go mental.
That's not the thing, sir.
I have also studied some of the examples I have taken, just who are very deep studious personalities or persons. They are like कि अब once there was a person, right? So he was serving puri, right? And there was a kind of party function. मैंने कहा वो 3 पूड़ी, पता नहीं क्या अलजेब्रा ज्योमेट्री ओके 3 पूड़ी, अब वो ऐसे बोल के सर्व कर रहा है. तो मैं पता किया तो बोला आईआईटी की तैयारी कर रहा है. तो वो हर जगह अलजेब्रा ट्रिगोमेट्री बोल रहा है, हर जगह ज्योमेट्री कर रहा है, हर जगह tan थीटा cos थीटा कर रहा है. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? मतलब इफ यू आर डूइंग स्टडीज, इफ यू आर डूइंग ओवर स्टडीज, इट इज कॉल्ड डेडिकेशन.
No, excess of anything is not good. So, but the thing is, yeah, if he do certain things, it is not good. Obviously, somebody should be there to explain him about certain things. But I feel like the students which are getting pressurized should take pressure up to a level which they can understand. Not they are
Do they
giving their
have
lives
ability?
on something.
Do they have ability to understand
Yeah,
or measure the
obviously.
level of stress?
If you are leaving your teen and you are going to your 20s, so you have a capability or you have certain thinking of like if I need to build my career. so I
Now
can't
if you see the level of depression, most of the times you will find 20 people, you will find 20s people, they are going into depression. And who are they are having career problems, they are having students life
because
studies issues.
there are so much competition in the society. There's so much competition in the country that lakhs of people are facing and giving the competitive exams. So there is so much pressure on.
So was there no competition for Modi ji, that he has become the Prime Minister of India? Was there no competition for Shah Rukh Khan? Was there no competition for other people who have succeeded in their lives?
But they were motivated towards that. They were determined.
So why not
towards
you are
that.
motivated? Why not other students are motivated?
No,
They're just
that's
talking
not
about that.
the motivation. That's all about thinking of having a manifestation towards your career and focusing on that rather than distracting on depression and all. Having certain things of everything, not the excess of.
I'll ask one question to the student. Hey, why you got failure? Oh, competition बहुत high था. The competition was so high. The competition
Other
is so high.
excuses can be anything. मैं बीमार थी, ये था,
Then
वो
you
था.
also said that there is a very high competition. That's why it's pressurizing.
I'm telling you that there is the competition. There can be a one perspective that there can be a competition and all, but you should be concentrated on your way. That your manifestation towards your career. You know you. You don't need to understand. Don't need to go on depressions and those things. You need to settle your things. You need to have something like music and all. If you are getting very much pressurized on. So that's the thing. I'm not telling about the competitions or that stuff, but I'm telling you to concentrate on your work rather than going into these and balancing your life, like balancing your relations towards your family members and balancing.
Nowadays,
your
I have
career.
interacted so many students. Their self-doubt is increasing day by day. Inferior complexions and complexities are increasing day by day. I can't compete to this world. This world is quite tough. This job is quite tough. This business is quite tough. This career is quite tough. The study is quite
Because
tough.
everybody started grooming themselves. No, everybody means we can talk about if somebody is still working on Google from last 10 years, they are also started grooming themselves because they know the youth are the upcoming youth is also grooming themselves towards AI and all. So they are also pressurized off. But the thing is, because of these things, they are being self-doubted by themselves. But they know that they'll find some way to do certain things. They are self-doubted at a time, but if they'll know, they'll have a guidance, they'll have a clear goal on. so they'll be moving on their path.
Now you guide
What's
them
the problem?
for the proper goal.
How would I? I'm still on a path, on my path.
So what are your suggestions? That you are just saying to me that they must have a target or a goal or clear goal. Then what? How can they decide that what's their clear goal?
The thing is, if they are not clear towards they are not following their path, or they don't know their goal, so they'll explore out things.
They will explore.
Yeah, they'll
And how long
explore.
it takes to explore? 40 years, 50 years. भाई कैसे बुड्ढे हो गए? वो explore कर रहा था.
So sir, उनको
I was
प्रेशर है,
exploring.
तो उनको
Right.
प्रेशर भी तो है कि
हाँ?
हमें करियर बनाना है
तो
अपना.
करियर बनाओगे कब? जब बीवी बच्चे चले जाएंगे छोड़
ऐसा
के.
कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Come on.
They'll explore, they'll do on certain things, they'll work on certain things if they are very much serious on that. If a person like me, if I'm not serious on my things, so I'll take those 40 years to have.
I'll tell you what is happening these days, right? If you go to any 36-year-old person, right, what are you doing? I'm doing research. अभी तक वो रिसर्च कर रहे हैं भाई. And you go to 46 years old, hey, what are you doing? You are doing research. शादी नहीं हुई, बच्चे नहीं है, परिवार नहीं है, ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, ना कमा रहे हैं. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? रिसर्च कर रहे हैं. तो रिसर्च क्या कब्र में जाके करोगे? मतलब इतना बड़ा रिसर्च. What kind of research you are doing that? When will you make your career? Right? If okay, let's leave the career. When will you start living your life? Actually, I just want to know. What kind of actually research you are doing?
Research not, it's about exploring, doing internships, going into certain things. Like I'm a commerce student, so I'll be like exploring some banking things, like some CS, CA, so that I can know about like these are the paths which
Okay,
can
I'll
I
ask
do.
you what is the last extended date to complete our graduation or degree? 23, 24?
Yeah.
Maximum 25? After 25, it will take 2 more years to explore. At 27, you're gonna be settled out or not? You're gonna be
Sure,
settled
for sure.
for sure. And if you are 36, even exploring, and you are saying that I am exploring, baby.
No, that's not about. I feel like that the college life is all about exploring,
Huh?
or your graduation life is all about exploring, and after that you are that much capable. You are in your 20s. You know how you have that sense of that you need to build your career till 27, and like you'll go on your life with your partner and all. That's the thing. So you need to settle down by 27. So it's all been planned by that.
There is
And
also-
so there was a pressure.
There is also a new trend that students are swearing that they will not marry.
Their choices. What
Is
can I
it
say
a
on
choice or is it a trend?
There is a choice on what is trend. No,
This
that
is
is not.
This is
no, that
being a
not
trend.
the trend.
First of all, I will settle my career, then I will get married. And okay, the question is that when will you settle your career? Sir, when I cross my 40, तो अपनी लड़की कौन भेजेगा तुम्हारे घर?
कोई
No.
बुद्धि आएगी फिर और
तो बुढ़ी शादी नहीं करेगी. That's what I'm asking to you कि क्या ये डिसबैलेंस नहीं हो रहा है समाज या दुनिया? Is it not disbalancing? कहीं ना कहीं स्टूडेंट्स का ही है तो हाथ है. अच्छा, अब नाउ आई विल टेल यू, स्टूडेंट्स का जरा देखो. दे क्वालिफाई देयर बीटेक, दहेज 25 लाख बन जाता है. जॉब लगी नहीं, और जॉब लगी है पानी पूरी पे, बता रहे हैं बीटेक किया हुआ है.
So that's the,
What kind of false?
it's the tradition being followed by since.
No, this is the tradition being followed, but that is fine. Please tell clearly ना कि I am selling पानी पूरी. Please tell कि मैं grocery
Yeah,
store पे काम कर रहा
obviously,
हूँ.
if they are getting married or they are getting certain things, getting into a relation, so obviously they'll clear out certain things. We are not talking about them. We are talking about the students.
अरे I just had, oh, what has he done? He has done BTech, 4-wheeler आ गई दहेज में. अब पता क्या चला, थोड़ा और रिसर्च हुआ तो वो किराने की दुकान पे काम कर रहा था. राइट, ही वाज वर्किंग एट द ग्रोसरी स्टोर. हाँ, तो डिग्री के लिए मेहनत किया ना उसने, फिर डिग्री ही लेने के लिए मेहनत.
सर अगर वो बीटेक कर रहे हैं तो वो उनका विजन था कि उनका तब तक का विजन सही था कि उन्हें बीटेक करना.
फिर vision खराब क्यों हुआ?
खराब नहीं हुआ सर, उसके बाद उसकी मर्जी. उसने नहीं परस्यू करा, उसने नहीं इंटरव्यूज क्लियर करे, नहीं मिला उसको कंपनी में जॉब,
तो कोई बात नहीं.
तो वो उसकी मर्जी है ना.
अब मालूम है क्या कर रहा है, डिमोरलाइज कर रहा है और स्टूडेंट्स
प्रेशर
को.
क्यों होता है, हमें स्टूडेंट्स को प्रेशर क्यों होता है कि हमें कुछ मिले करे. तो प्रेशर भी उसी को होता है जो सीरियस होता
और
है.
जो प्रेशर में होता है वही इंटरव्यू अक्सर फेल हो जाता है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Of course.
नो, एवरीथिंग वर्क्स ऑन योर हार्ड वर्क एंड योर लक. 22% on your luck and 98% on your hard work.
There is hard work ना.
Yeah.
आपने बीटेक हार्ड वर्क से किया था, लक से किया था?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
किया कैसे था?
मैंने बीटेक नहीं किया.
आपने नहीं किया, जैसे एग्जांपल जो दे रहा हूँ, वो स्टूडेंट ने कैसे किया? हार्ड वर्क से या लक से?
हार्ड वर्क से ही किया. क्यों, वो पढ़ के नहीं गया होगा क्या?
हार्ड वर्क से किया ना. हार्ड वर्क से किया ना, फिर उसका लक 2% खराब क्यों हो गया 90% हार्ड वर्क करने के बाद?
वो लक,
जब 98% उसने हार्डवर्क किया तो 2% लक उसका खराब कैसे हो गया?
हार्डवर्क उसने किया,
हाँ
आप 2% लक पे मत आओ, पहले उसके बीटेक तो उसने क्लियर किया
ठीक
ना,
है।
वो उसके बाद उसकी मर्जी होगी ना।
मर्जी है या लक है?
सर मर्जी
किसी
होगी
की
ना।
मर्जी बीटेक करने के बाद दाल
अगर-
तौलना है?
क्या पता उसकी मजबूरी हो,
हाँ?
उसकी
मजबूरी,
हो।
मजबूरी क्या होती है? लक।
नहीं,
मजबूरी, हर मजबूरी एक किस्मत होती है। दैट इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग, मैं वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ। मजबूरी का नाम महात्मा गांधी लोग बोलते हैं, मैं तो कहता हूँ मजबूरी का नाम किस्मत है। जहां पे भी आपकी मजबूरी आएगी आप कहेंगे किस्मत। अगर ये शब्द आप ना बोले तो आप मर जाएंगे, जी ही नहीं पाएंगे किस्मत वाला वर्ड। तो मजबूरी ही तो किस्मत है।
सर किस्मत तो फिर पॉजिटिव साइड भी देख सकते हैं हम उसकी,
बिल्कुल।
कि अगर लक हो 2% अगर उसका लक होता तो क्या पता वो
मैं तो कहता हूँ कि
international company में
मैं
होता।
सिमरप्रीत से बात कर रहा हूँ, ये मेरा हो सकता है लक हो, या हो सकता है आपका लक हो कि आप अब्दुल्ला सर से बात कर रही हैं, यू आर टॉकिंग। हो सकता है कल आप पता नहीं कहाँ हो, मैं कहाँ हूँ। बट अगर आप चेयर टूट जाए और आप गिर जाओ, सपोज, ऊपर वाला ना करे ऐसा, सो व्हाट विल यू ब्लेम ऑफ?
To you,
टू बी
yeah, obviously,
Is it-
it's your furniture.
इट्स माय फर्नीचर।
Yeah.
तो यहाँ पे लक कहाँ गया?
हाँ, लक तो मेरा ही खराब है।
लक खराब है ना,
मेरा
तो
तो
यू विल
है।
एक्सेप्ट लक ना।
Yeah,
बट अभी आप सेफ बैठी हो,
या
तो आप सेफ बैठना चाहती हो और कुर्सी तोड़ना चाहती हो? सेफ, सेफ।
सर मेरे चाहने से क्या होगा, वो अगर लक से टूट जाएगी।
लक से टूट जाएगी, बट अभी तक आप टूटी नहीं टूटी। आप
हाँ।
कितनी बार इस पे बैठ चुकी, टूटी नहीं टूटी। तो फिर वो दाल क्यों बेच रहा है बीटेक करने के बाद? ही हैज टू
उसको
सेट।
बेच लेने दो दाल, मैं क्या करूँ?
अरे
आई एम लूजिंग नाउ।
तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग।
हाउसवाइफ लाइक,
टेलर, हाउसवाइफ, आर यू श्योर?
या इफ आई
Housewife means you understand after marriage.
हाँ,
So in this age you would have got married.
yeah, if not graduating.
At this age I'm talking about.
Yeah, at this
Are you
age.
sure?
If I wasn't be graduating and all.
अगर एजुकेशन करियर डिफाइन नहीं करती है तो फिर एजुकेशन लेना ही क्यों?
जरूरी नहीं है सर, वो तो सबका पर्सपेक्टिव होता है ना। अगर आप 10th के बाद नहीं पढ़ते और आपने ये शुरू कर दिया।
मैं नहीं पढ़ा,
हाँ, और आपने ये शुरू कर दिया और आप
लेकिन मैं एजुकेटेड हूँ। आई कांट कॉल
फील्ड में हो ना सर, इसलिए।
हर फील्ड कि यू आर गिविंग अ गुड मैसेज। आप समाज को अच्छा संदेश दे रहे भाई, ईटिंग 10 गुलाब जामुन।
First of all, I would like to say something to student. First of all, sometimes you enjoy your life, and if you concentrate your career 90%, but 10% you enjoy your life. So you concentrate your career and you enjoy life, and you're balancing your life. And if you concentrate only your career, only you run away to behind to career, and after that
That's
you
career. That's career.
career and you don't enjoy your life. So after that, I think you come under pressure.
That's what the thing I understand. All right. So you want to say that we have to balance our lives and we have to just delegate 50-50, right? 50% enjoy, 50% career.
No sir,
इसका ये मतलब होगा कि 10,000 कमाओ और उड़ा दो।
no sir, and 9 to
Of
10
course.
9 to 10%.
9 to 10% enjoy.
Yeah, 90% focus your career,
Career?
10% enjoy.
But you said 50-50.
No sir, 50-50
Are you
is
sure?
not possible.
So 90% on career, 10% on enjoyment.
Yes,
Right?
in student life.
In students' life.
In student lives, but as a professional life, 60-40 ratio is a very good.
60-40 ratio.
60-40 ratio. If you earn 1 lakh rupees per month, and after that you enjoy 40%, for 40,000 rupees for your families, yourself and your friends circles, and 60,000
And 60,000
60,000 you save
save
your future.
for your future,
Yes.
for your future wife.
अभी
तो आपके पास wife थी?
Yes, wife, wife, parents, brothers.
For future.
sister, yeah.
Any
for future.
circumstance and situation.
Yes.
Any circumstance and situation. If any mishappening is there,
Yes,
you can
yes.
spend that
in
money.
future, in future will have any problem, then I'll take easily.
That's
if
the
I have money. If I save 60% money, and after that I take easily.
I'll ask, right? As you said that students should manage this and that, as you are advising and suggesting to the students, right? But what is the exact problem that students sometimes spend a lot of money? They again go to the same life or same zone. For example, मैं गांव से आया,
Okay.
पढ़ाई किया, मेहनत किया, बहुत कुछ किया, फिर गांव चला गया।
Okay.
और फिर से मैं वही लाइफ गुजार रहा हूँ जो मैं 4 साल पहले गुजारता था.
Yes.
I used to live. तो what's the change? क्या change आया?
Yeah, first of all, there's I tell you, okay, two type student available in this world.
Okay.
Two type student available in this world: middle class and rich class.
Okay.
Sometimes rich class family, if my backup is very strong, and
Okay.
after that my parents talk to me, okay, you go to you take a admission in MBA, and after that you finish your MBA, you done your MBA, and after that
You do your MBA.
you take my business. You take my business. But in middle class, come to Delhi from any village areas, and after that he prepare UPSC या MBA, and after that after doing MBA, and he have done
He has.
he has done MBA, and after that he is searching a good job, and find out if did not find out any good job, and after that he come in pressure, because if I am a student here, I'm sit not I'm sit not alone here.
I'm not sitting alone.
Yes, because with myself, my parents' dreams, my brothers, sisters, my neighbors, and my all family's dreams with me. And
Everybody's dream is with you, and you are
Yeah.
breaking the dream. What are you talking about?
yes, sir. Let me tell you, and after that we take more and more pressure. My father want to, you will become a successful doctor, engineer, and you will take a very good government job. If I will fail, if I will fail, I will not take any government job. Yeah, successful person, and after that I'm come on pressure, and after that my father, please come back to hometown, and
I'll tell you, few lines are there that's very important to understand. हर जलते हुए चिराग के नीचे अंधेरा होता है,
yes,
और हर अंधेरे के बाद एक नया सवेरा होता है.
yes,
और हो सकता है कि आप सवेरा जैसे होना वाला हो, आप अंधेरे में भाग गए वापस.
yes.
It
Family
may be there.
pressure, yes, sir. Family pressure.
So why are you taking the family pressure? You have lost your dream, just came for the dream, worked for 4 years, struggled for 4 years, seen a lot of difficulties, ups and downs, and you just suddenly you lost each and everything, and you went back. You go back.
Yes.
What do you
sir.
find? You find nothing, zero.
Yes, sir.
So
So let me tell you, sir. This time he has pressure.
what kind of pressure you're talking about?
For family and
Pressure.
family
You're
and
talking
friend.
about the pressure and pressure.
Yeah.
People are surviving their lives. Go at the footpath and see the pressure. They don't have any
He
dream.
doesn't have any.
They don't have
dreams.
dream.
He doesn't have dreams.
They don't have dream. That's fine.
Yes.
You had a dream.
Yes,
But
I
you are
had a dream.
leaving your dream, going back. Do you think? तो आप में और उनमें फर्क क्या है? आप भी तो अपने सपने को छोड़ दिया, उनके पास कोई सपना है ही नहीं.
Yes.
तो फिर आप में और उनके में फर्क क्या?
But sir, sometimes condition is a very difficult.
What kind of? I don't believe in conditions.
Yes.
I believe in hard motivation. I don't believe in conditions. Conditions are everywhere.
Yes, but sir, कि after done MBA,
After doing
MBA, and all students searching a very good job, but a very good job is not available in market. Good job, after that, suppose that if I have done MBA, and after that I find out a very good job, but very good job is not available in market, and after that if I give more and more interviews, and company give me only 20,000 rupees or 25,000 rupees, because I invest my MBA 50 lakh rupees.
I'll tell you a few lines here. I'll tell you a few lines here. तुम खुद को तराशो, तुम्हें तलाशने के लिए लोग हैं ना. तुम खुद को चमकाओ, तुम्हें से रोशनी लेने के लिए लोग हैं ना. तुम खुद को डिग्री होल्डर नहीं, क्रिएटिव बनाओ.
Yes,
लोग तुम्हें
yes, I
नौकरी
agree
देने
with
के
you,
लिए
sir.
है ना.
Yes, sir.
So you have to understand this, like you have to be
Yes,
skilled,
yes.
you have to be creative.
Yes, sir. I agree with you. Okay? Because any certificate not explore your.
You are giving fee to अब्दुल्ला सर. आप अब्दुल्ला सर को फीस दे रहे हैं.
Yes.
कब आपने ये पूछा था कि अब्दुल्ला सर आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है और अब्दुल्ला सर थोड़ा डिग्री दिखा दीजिए अपनी.
No.
दुनिया में सबसे अमीर आदमी कौन है?
Bill Gates.
नहीं, फिर से
Elon Musk.
एलॉन मस्क. एलॉन मस्क इज द रिचेस्ट वन.
Yes.
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प को सपोर्ट किया, डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प जीत गया.
Yes.
एलॉन मस्क उसने क्या किया? क्रिएटिविटी.
Yes.
कुछ नया लाया मार्केट में, दुनिया का सबसे अमीर आदमी है। बिल गेट्स ने क्या किया? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लाया,
Yes.
विंडोज लाया जो पहले नहीं था, आईबीएम ने लॉन्च किया था, बट आईबीएम से आगे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट आ गया। याहू पहले था लेकिन गूगल क्रिएटिव होके आया, गूगल आज है, याहू गायब हो गया।
Yes.
ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, फेसबुक वाला अमीर है क्यों है? क्रिएटिव कुछ।
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि यू आर सेलिंग, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप किराने की दुकान लगा रहे हैं, उसमें क्या क्रिएटिविटी है?
Yeah. No.
नथिंग क्रिएटिव।
Yes.
आपने किराने की दुकान में कुछ ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर दिया, वो क्रिएटिविटी है।
Yes.
दैट इज द क्रिएटिविटी। जो लॉन्च है वो क्रिएटिविटी है, जो सेलिंग है वो क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है। या तो फिर सेलिंग में आपकी स्टाइल अलग हो, यू मस्ट हैव अ डिफरेंट स्टाइल। तो
Yes.
आई एम आस्किंग टू यू कि आर यू क्रिएटिव? क्या आप क्रिएटिव हैं?
Yes, sir.
आर यू श्योर?
Yes, sir.
बट आप बहुत सीधे साधे दिखते हैं मुझे।
Yes, I am.
सीधा इंसान क्रिएटिव होता ही नहीं।
No, sir.
मैं सीधा हूँ या टेढ़ा हूँ?
I think you're a creative person,
आई एम अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन।
Yes.
एम आई जेंटल और मेंटल?
a gentleman.
एम आई मोर सिंपल और हार्ड?
You know, hard worker, and sometimes you simple. Say, you know, multi-talented.
तो
You
मतलब
are
मैं क्रिएटिव हूँ और आप क्रिएटिव हैं।
Yes.
आप ज़्यादा सीधे हैं, मैं ज़्यादा सीधा।
First of all, I don't have this answer.
नहीं, बट यू हैव टू गिव आंसर।
Yes.
आप मेरे साथ कब से? 2 महीने से तो हैं।
Yes.
यू हैव बीन ऑब्जर्विंग मी।
Yes.
तो आप ज़्यादा सीधे हैं, मैं ज़्यादा सीधा। आप मेरे इतने सीधे नहीं, यू आर नॉट एज जेंटल एज आई एम।
Yes.
आर यू श्योर?
Yes, sir.
तो इसका मतलब सीधा इंसान ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव होता है।
No, sir. Siddha insan is not
क्रिएटिव मतलब आई एम नॉट
creative.
क्रिएटिव।
No, no, sir. First of all, you observe more and more, explore your personality yourself. But you know, me, observe you right now. But after some time, I will try my best.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
That's very good.
Because this time I watch you all time. Be seriously. Ke what do Abdullah sir? What type of speaking Abdullah sirs, and how much type of creativity have Abdullah sir? I catch and I observe this type of, and after that my think one day I will very good creator.
You will be
And,
very good.
yeah.
All right, thank you so much everybody. Please. जमाने में होते हैं आशिक कई, पर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता। महबूबा और नोटों की बाहों में सिमट कर मरना चाहते हैं बहुत से लोग, पर मेरे वतन से प्यारा कोई कफन नहीं होता। So that is why it is called creativity. अब जैसे अब मैं क्या करूं? इंस्टेंट मैं जितना ला सकता हूं वही है मेरी क्रिएटिविटी। मैं आपसे जो सवाल कर रहा हूं, क्या मेरे पास कोई चिट्ठा है,
No, sir.
कोई डायरी है? नो, क्रिएटिविटी है।
Yes.
जितना अच्छा माइंड चल रहा है उतने अच्छे सवाल आ रहे हैं। नहीं तो मैं ये सेशन को बहुत बोरिंग कर सकता हूँ
Yes.
या तो बहुत स्कोरिंग कर सकता हूँ। इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट माई माइंड सेट। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड।
Yes.
आपका काम डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, काम डिफिकल्ट मेरा है। सवाल करना इज़ मोर डिफिकल्ट देन जवाब देना। शायद जब आपको ये चीज़ पता चल जाएगी तो आप ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव हो जाएंगे। आप सवाल बहुत कम करते हैं। नथिंग, रीडिंग कॉमर्स बुक।
No, I'm art student.
यू आर आर्ट स्टूडेंट।
Yes.
व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट?
No one.
देख
Nothing.
ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स रहेंगे जिनका फेवरेट कुछ है ही नहीं पढ़ाई में, लेकिन फिर भी पढ़ रहे हैं। मजबूरी का नाम पढ़ाई।
Only have to pass.
Well, you have to pass. Look, so I think, do you think that students' lives are very struggling?
I don't think.
You don't think?
If they are enjoying, then there is no struggle.
I think as you are enjoying.
Yes.
Or you only go to school for enjoyment.
Yes, I go to.
You don't study
Sometime I study for passing.
for passing. Is there canteen in your school?
Yes, I.
How
Yes.
many? How many?
2.
How many samosa do you take from the canteen?
There is no samosa. There is a chow mein.
There is chow mein. So do you have
Chow mein.
credit in the canteen? अब्दुल रहमान भाई के नाम पे एक प्लेट लेके आ।
No, because I am a new student there.
Okay.
That's why.
So you go on behalf of someone.
Yes.
You go on behalf of someone.
Yes.
Who is that person?
My friend.
Your friend. That's very good. He's well experienced and he's a senior one.
Yes, he is experienced.
All right.
Yes.
So tell me, being a student, what are the challenges you are facing?
Study.
Study issues. So you don't want to study.
Only have to pass. Because
What will you do in future?
I want to become an actor.
You want to become an actor. Are you sure?
Yes.
Can you do acting?
Yes.
Are you a serious actor or you are one of the hollow actor?
I am serious actor. एक बार मेरी आंखों में देखो और आखिरी बार कह दो, क्या तुम मुझसे प्यार नहीं करती? तो क्या हुआ अगर आज वो मेरे साथ नहीं? मैं आज भी उससे उतना ही मोहब्बत करता हूँ, मगर इसलिए नहीं कि कोई और नहीं मिली, पर इसलिए कि उससे मोहब्बत करने से फुर्सत ही नहीं मिलती।
That's very good. That's fantastic. Okay, I'll tell you a dialogue and you speak in your own way, right?
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम।
काशीराम,
काशीराम
उसके आगे वाला।
सर,
तो फिर इतनी जल्दी क्यों थी नकल करने की?
Okay.
रुक तो जाते थोड़ा, क्योंकि मैं भी डायलॉग बाजी नहीं करता ना, मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा। राइट। काशीराम, तुम यहाँ के आदमी बन जाओ। अगर तुम इस चौखट के आदमी बनते हो तो तुम्हें रुपए पैसे मिलेंगे और तुम्हारी इज्जत इस समाज में बढ़ जाएगी और तुम्हारे बच्चे को बख्श दिया जाएगा। काशीराम, क्या तुम मेरे लिए काम करना चाहोगे? क्या लगता है कि मोहब्बत एक बगावत है, या मोहब्बत इंतकाम का नाम है, या मोहब्बत किसी जान का नाम है, या मोहब्बत एक खुदा का तोहफा है?
मोहब्बत बहुत अच्छी चीज़ होती है।
तुम बार बार मोहब्बत की बात करते हो, तुम्हें ये नहीं पता कि मोहब्बत बर्बाद करके रख देती है। आज तक जितने भी मजनू इस दुनिया में पैदा हुए सब मोहब्बत की वजह से हुए।
बिल्कुल।
I am from for UP, Uttar Pradesh.
You're from Uttar Pradesh. Which part of Uttar Pradesh?
Hardoi,
Hardoi.
district Hardoi.
All right, that's very good. So, when have you come to Delhi?
I live in Delhi in Sangamyar with families.
With family. Very good. So, how many members are there in your family?
My family member, 4 members in my family.
There are 4 members in your family. Very good. Including you and your brother or sister?
Yes,
Yes.
including
You, your brother,
and sister.
sister, and mother. Father?
And no more.
He is no more.
Yes.
So sorry. Who is taking care of family? Like,
I job.
you're doing job?
Yes.
What is your job timing?
8 to 2.
8 to 2 you are doing. Okay, very good. So you are only doing job
Yes.
and you're taking care of entire family.
Yes.
Wow, I like it. Very good. Congratulations. So, मतलब can you easily manage हो जाता है या it's tough to manage?
It's tough to manage,
It's
but
tough.
struggle is in life.
Struggle is part of life, right? So are you a student as well now?
Students as
You
well.
are a student. So, what is your future plan? What do you want to do?
I become an.
I want to be.
I want to become IS officer. Which crack the UPSC.
By cracking UPSC?
Which
Wow.
because choose the first of all prepare the UPSC. We choose the medium. So I come there in English.
That's why you have come.
It's
So for
choose the
improving your English.
English.
Look, you know.
Yes,
yeah,
I do good.
Come on.
That watch the YouTube videos. Then I will come.
Achha,
as a-
that's then I came here. You watched the YouTube videos. All
I'm
right.
interested that then
You got
I-
interested.
Yes.
Very good. So you have mother,
Yes.
your one sister, your one brother. What's the age of your brother?
12.
12. He's 12 years old. Is he doing studies?
Yes.
So you are managing each and everything.
Easy.
Saluting. Right. That's very nice. I like it. So I want to know, like, when you came from UP, जब आप UP से आए हो यहाँ, so what was the year? क्या साल था?
With father.
You came with your father. So
recently father is in 4 to 5 years.
What happened to father?
Job. Oh, that's the safety. Cash ban.
No. What happened to the father? Like you said, na, father is no more
Yes.
now. So a heart attack or is there one?
That's cash ban. There's fighting. He is to
Fight?
fight. Gunning वगैरह गोली. Safety ban.
Gunning?
गनमैन थे सर.
अच्छा, okay.
कैश बैन का जो सेफ्टी होता है ना, जो
हाँ.
पैसे की सेफ्टी करते हैं
हाँ.
उनके साथ.
तो चोर लोगों ने या डकैत
डकैत लोगों ने कैश लूटने के चक्कर में. That's it.
वेरी सैड.
Which location?
हियर इन लक्ष्मी नगर? नो,
रोहिणी.
रोहिणी में. ये कब का टाइम था? रात या दिन का? रात. इट वाज नाइट.
डे टाइम.
इट वाज डे, आफ्टरनून.
आफ्टरनून.
ओके. फिर आप लोग को पता चला, फिर आप लोग वहाँ गए.
Yes.
Alright. So when, in which year you came to Delhi with father? Like father came first. You were born here.
नहीं, you won the UP with father is come here.
When okay, you came with your father.
They study in Delhi.
Studied in Delhi since childhood, बचपन से.
Childhood.
सो याद नहीं कि आप किस साल में आए थे?
कोई 2010 के
You came in 2010.
के approx.
Very good. So you had all your brother and sisters.
Yes.
तीनों लोग थे आप लोग.
जी
Okay. How is mama now?
मम्मा इज हाउसवाइफ. Yes.
Mama is housewife. Is she fine?
Yes, fine.
So you all live together
जी.
happily,
Lived it. Yes.
happily,
Happily manage this.
happily.
Yes.
That's very nice. That's very good. Not an issue.
Yes.
You have to be more solid. So what is the purpose to join Happiness Institute?
Because the medium is strong. Okay,
You want to strengthen your medium.
बिकॉज किसी भी गेम को खेलने के लिए पहले अपना हथियार मजबूत करना पड़ता है.
क्या बात है.
तो वी चूज स्ट्रॉन्ग द मीडियम.
That's very nice line. या तो कश्तियों को मजबूत कर लो या तो कश्तियाँ जला दो अगर युद्ध में जाना है तो. जला दिए तो वापस आ नहीं पाओगे, मारोगे या मरोगे. और कश्तियाँ मजबूत कर लोगे तो मार के भागने का टाइम रहेगा. राइट. तो दैट्स वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छी बात है. सो यू वांट टू स्ट्रेंथन योर इंग्लिश. कांग्रेस. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन यू स्पीक ना, जब आप लोग बोलते हो तो आप लोग स्टेबल नहीं रहते हो मेंटली. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. मतलब मेंटली यू आर नॉट स्टेबल. अब आपके साथ क्या है कि आप बहुत प्रेशर में हो. यू आर इन अ बिग प्रेशर. तो प्रेशर की वजह से जो मन में बात होती है वो आ नहीं पाती है और दैट एक्यूरेट और करेक्ट इंग्लिश डज नॉट कम. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. अब आप किसी चीज़ को इंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हो, आप हो ही नहीं आप, तो आप तो गलती करोगे. गलती आप नहीं कर रहे हो, गलती आपकी दूसरी वाली आत्मा कर रही है जो आपके साथ आ गई है उल्टा किस्म से. आपकी आत्मा तो चली गई ना. योर सोल इज़ नॉट विथ यू. दैट इज़ वाई आई थिंक यू मस्ट बी स्टेबल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. अभी ये जो थे ये रियल थे, इन्होंने गलतियाँ की हैं. अगर आप गलतियाँ कर रहे हैं तो आप रियल नहीं हैं, क्योंकि आपको पता ही गलतियाँ कर रहे हैं आप, और आप वो गलतियों के बारे में पढ़े नहीं. ये गलती करी, इन्होंने सीखा नहीं. आप सीख के भी गलती करें, इसका मतलब आप है ही नहीं. यू आर नॉट विथ योर सेल्फ. तो दैट इज़ वाई आई थिंक कि जब हम कुछ करें ना तो थोड़ा वी हैव टू बी इन द प्रोसेस. अपूर्वा केम राइट एंड देन अपूर्वा. अब जैसे देखो मैं भूल गया. क्यों? माइंड थक गया तो मैं भूल गया. माइंड कहीं और चला गया तो भूल गया. यही आपके साथ होता है. तो मैं कहा मुझे ऐसे करना पड़ा. अपूर्वा केम, एक नाम के लिए इतना टाइम लेना पड़ रहा है. आपको तो पूरी बात बोलनी तो कितना टाइम लगेगा. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड राइट. तो अपूर्वा केम एंड व्हाट शी डिड, उनको पता है बट शी इज मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स. लाइक एक सेंटेंस में प्रेजेंट सही बोल रही है, दूसरे सेंटेंस में प्रेजेंट को पास्ट कर दे रही. व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग? आई कम फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश टू दिल्ली. अब आई कम कैसे होगा? आई केम होगा, क्योंकि आप आई थी, आप आती थोड़ी ना हो. आई केम. तो ये कुछ माइनर मिस्टेक्स आर देयर. सिमरप्रीत थोड़ा और मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग सरेंडर बहुत जल्दी कर देते हो. जैसे हाँ यू आर राइट, ओके, हाँ हो सकता है, हाँ ओके, अब मैं क्या बोलूँ. तो आई थिंक सरेंडरिंग इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग. सो यू शुड बी मोर प्रोफिशिएंट इन स्पीकिंग राइट. अब्दुल रहमान, पहली बात तो आप एफर्ट्स नहीं डाल रहे हो, तो आप ना कहीं बहुत क्विट कर रहे हो. यू आर क्विटिंग, तो आपका आउटकम आ नहीं पाएगा. मतलब यू आर लाइक कि मैं नहीं करता. योर पर्सनैलिटी इज़ लाइक कि मैं नहीं करता. तो ये मैं नहीं करता वाला मामला गड़बड़ चीज़ है. अब आपको लग रहा है एक्टिंग तो सीख रहे हो, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ एक्टिंग. ये आप एक्सपीरियंस जो कर रहे हो अपने आप को, ये एक्टिंग ही तो है. कल को आपको भी बोलना तो ऐसे पड़ेगा ही. हर जगह थोड़ी ना आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कि कितनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की कि हर जर्रे ने तुमसे मिलाने के साथ. कभी आपको ये भी बोलना पड़ेगा कितनी शिद्दत से मैंने आपसे मिलने की कोशिश की, आज आप मेरे सामने बैठे हैं, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँ. ये भी तो एक्टिंग हो गई. आज आप बैठे मेरे सामने, मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा. ये भी एक एक्टिंग हो गई जो हड़का देंगे सामने वाले को. शहजाद साहब आप भी इम्प्रूव करिए. वैसे आपने काफ़ी इम्प्रूव किया हुआ है, थोड़ा कहीं गलतियाँ हैं उसको इम्प्रूव करिए.